For the first time when I came across the formula of standard deviation, I had a lot of questions. I mean, why is it raised to the power 2? Why divided by n? Why take sum of all the deviations? Why square root? Etc, etc, etc. But the answer to that lies in only one question which we could have asked. The question is, why is standard deviation calculated? You see, when you calculate the mean, it helps you understand the center of the data. But if you want to understand how each and every observation within the data is away from the mean, you take the deviations of all the observation. Now here's the thing, you want to make the average of all the deviation, so you sum it up and divide by n. But the problem is, when you sum up all the deviations, the numerator, the total of all the deviations will always be 0. Take any number and see it. The answer will always be 0. So the purpose of calculating deviations get defeated because the numerator becomes 0. We don't want that. So what we do is, we take every individual deviations, raise it to the power 2, and then sum them up. And then divide by n so that we get average squared deviation. But when you square something, it becomes unitless. To bring it back to its original unit, you do the square root. And now you know something about standard deviation. Rather than rote learning, why don't you derive the formula? Because someone must have thought about that formula for the first time. You just need to think what they thought, and you probably will never be required to ratify the formula. All the best.